in the lower 70s. South urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Medina, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. The
SVA.
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 426, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Medina, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen
Only
for
10
later
minutes after
statements
the
and
National
possible
Periodic
warnings.
Test.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 426 has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Medina, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.